Why does the value of EDI still stand in the B2B world?
EDI has been around for a really long time, Andrey. I always kind of joke about its longevity and how people have questioned it for quite a long time. When I first joined the space, people were already talking about the death of EDI with the advent of internet communications, and then it was XML. And they said, oh, everybody's going to want to do XML. EDI is going to go by the wayside. And then it was APIs. Why would we do EDI when there's APIs? And now it's AI. So far, we have not seen anything that's able to topple the behemoth that is EDI and how embedded it is in all of our business processes. It is just so efficient and so structured that it allows people to manage their B2B communication so efficiently, there's no need for a replacement. Now, all these other things have piled on top of EDI, and EDI has adapted to become ever more efficient and iterate through all of these new technologies. And I think we're going to do the same with AI.
Yeah. So as EDI it now works alongside with APIs, and now we keep talking about AI, and the word of the day is AI. How can Axway B2B customers use AI to unlock additional value from their B2B integration?
So yeah, I mean, obviously a hot topic. I've been talking about it all day, every day for the last few days. But we've got lots of cool new innovative ways that AI is really going to contribute to the day-to-day of an EDI practitioner, right? We've got our AI mapping tool. So in order to help people develop maps a lot quicker, more efficiently, using tools that AI can help to generate those maps. We're looking at enabling MCP servers within the solutions themselves. So B2BI will have a library of MCP servers available for customers to use to accomplish all sorts of tasks that normally they could do through the UI potentially, but now they'll be able to do it through a chat interface and even tie it into like agentic workflows in the future. Things like doing document status search, right?
Yeah.
One of the stories a lot of our customers share is that they'll get requests from other business users that they need a status of a document that's did it complete processing? Did it ever make it in? Did they not send it? And the EDI guy has to take a moment out of his day to go look it up for the business user. Well, with the MCP servers of B2BI and AI Gateway and its user administrative and governance rights to make sure that everybody has access to the right data, allow that business user to give the query to your favorite LLM, be it Claude or ChatGPT, simply say, what's the status of that order from partner XYZ? And they get the answer without interrupting the EDI guy's day, right?
That's me.
The EDI guy stays productive and keeps doing EDI stuff.